Today, I'll show you how to enable or disable nearby share on your Google Pixel tablet. Now, I'll show you two methods. Method number one is using the quick settings panel, and method number two is using the settings app. So when I use the quick settings panel, when I swipe down to reveal the quick settings panel tiles and scroll through, I can be able to locate the nearby share option. So as you can see, the status is currently set to hidden, and when I tap on nearby share, I'll be presented with this menu where I can use this toggle button to turn on nearby share, and now my device is going to be visible to everyone, to my contacts, or to my devices, like that. So make sure when you turn it on or off, you tap on done to be able to save the changes. So when I tap on done, nearby share is now going to be set to whatever mode I chose, whether it's devices, everyone, contacts, or whatever option you choose. To turn it off, I'll tap on that, and once again under device visibility, I'll toggle that off, and then I'll tap on done, and now as you can see, nearby share is now off. Now, if for some reason I cannot be able to find the nearby share option in the quick settings panel tiles right up here, what I'll have to do is tap on this edit button right here, and in the options that I have, all the options that I have for tiles, I'll need to find the nearby share option, which is right here, and I'll press and hold on it and drag it all the way to the first section so that it can be amongst the quick settings panel tiles. So now when I come here and go to the second page, I'll be able to find that the nearby share option is here, and once again I can tap on nearby share and enable it or disable it from here. I also have the option for settings, which I can tap on, and it's going to take me to the nearby share settings. Now the second option is using the settings app, and I want to tap on settings, and under settings in the left hand side panel, I'll go and find Google. So tap on Google, and under Google I'll scroll down and find the option for devices and sharing. So tap on devices and sharing, and right down here you have the option for nearby share. So tap on nearby share, and once again under device visibility you can be able to see the toggle button. So here you can turn it on or off like that, or you can simply tap on device visibility and go into this page where once again you can toggle it on like that, and you'll be presented with the options to be visible to everyone, to your contacts, or to your devices, like that. Now under everyone, you have the option to use everyone mode temporarily, or to keep everyone mode on all the time. So you can choose the option that you want, but I'll leave it to use everyone mode temporarily for that option. But that's basically how to turn nearby share on or off on your Google Pixel tablet. Now, device visibility is for when you yourself want to receive files or items from nearby devices, but once you're using nearby share while sending files to certain devices near you, the nearby share option will always turn on automatically, and once it's done, it's going to turn off automatically. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions and comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.